dealing with the Ctiuser.dll error in a non-Windows app. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. Before we get into the technical process for Ctiuser, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This DLL file is a client library associated with computer telephony integration (CTI) software. It manages the communication between desktop applications and telephone systems, facilitating automated calling and call logging. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. The Ctiuser.dll is required for software application to function properly. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of software application will repair missing or broken application files. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Ctiuser library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of the Ctiuser library. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to the Ctiuser library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped you with the Ctiuser library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.